Hi, it's me, Teacher Jeanne. In this lesson, you will learn about subtraction of integers. After going through this lesson, you are expected to first, determine the additive inverse of the given integer. Second, apply the rules for subtracting integers. So here, we need to recall the rules for addition of integers. Given, like signs or same signs. So we have positive plus positive equals positive, negative plus negative equals negative. So we add the absolute values and keep or copy the sign common to both integers. Next, we have the unlike signs or different signs. Given, positive plus negative, or negative plus positive, we subtract the absolute values and keep or copy the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. Now let's have the first activity. Give the additive inverse of the following integers. When we say additive inverse, we're talking about the opposite of the integer. So let's have the following. Given negative 5, the additive inverse is positive 5. Next, we have positive 8. The additive inverse is negative 8. Third, negative 11. The additive inverse is positive 11. Fourth, we have positive 2. The additive inverse is negative 2. And last, we have negative 9. The additive inverse is positive 9. So now, let's have the subtraction of integers. And the rule here is keep, change, change. First, we keep or copy the first number or minuend. Next, change the operation subtraction to addition. And last, change the second number or subtrahend to its additive inverse or opposite. And then, proceed to addition of integers. To subtract an integer, add its additive inverse. Given a minus b, that is equal to a plus negative b. So first, we keep a. Next, we change minus into plus. And last, we change positive b to negative b. Then, proceed to addition of integers. For you to understand, let's have the following examples. Subtract. Use the rule for subtracting integers. Given number 1, 9 minus 5, as you noticed, if the minuend is greater than the subtrahend, we can simply subtract 9 minus 5, we get 4. But if the minuend is less than the subtrahend, we need to apply the rule for subtraction. So let's have number 2, 5 minus 9. So as you can see, 5 is less than 9. Therefore, we're going to apply the rule. We keep 5, then change the operation minus into plus, then change the sign of the subtrahend to its additive inverse. So the opposite of positive 9 is negative 9. Next, proceed to addition. So here we have the unlike or different sign, so we subtract and copy the sign of the bigger or greater absolute value. And negative 9 is greater than positive 5, so we get negative 4. Next, number 3, 8 minus negative 3. So as you can see, we separate the negative sign with the operation minus using parentheses. Then we apply the rule for subtraction. We copy 8, we change the operation minus into plus, then we change the sign of the subtrahend to its additive inverse. So the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Then proceed to addition. So we can simply add 8 plus 3, we get 11. Next, we have number 4, negative 7 minus 8. So using the rule, we keep negative 7, then change the operation minus into plus, then change the sign of the subtrahend to its additive inverse. So the opposite of positive 8 is negative 8. Then proceed to addition. So negative plus negative, so that is negative 15. So if we have both negative or like signs or same signs, we just add the absolute value, then we copy the sign. Next, number 5, we have negative 2 minus negative 6. So we keep negative 2, then change the operation minus into plus, then change the sign of the subtrahend to its additive inverse. So the opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. Then proceed to addition. So adding unlike signs, we're going to subtract. So 6 minus 2, then we copy the sign of the greater absolute value, so we have positive 4. Now what about if we subtract 2 or more integers? So let's have the given negative 7 minus negative 5 minus 6. Applying the rule for subtraction, first we keep or copy negative 7. Then change the operation minus into plus. Then change the sign of the subtrahend, so the additive inverse of negative 5 is positive 5. Next, change again the operation minus into plus. Then the additive inverse of positive 6 is negative 6. Now let's proceed to addition. We add first those are similar or same signs. So negative 7 plus negative 6, we get negative 13. Then keep or copy 5. Since negative 13 and 5 are different or unlike signs, we subtract and copy the sign of the bigger or greater absolute value, and negative 13 is greater than 5, so we get negative 8. Now it's your turn. Do it yourself. Subtract. Use the rule for subtracting integers. Number 1, 15 minus 6. Number 2, negative 18 minus 9. Number 3, 7 minus negative 11. Number 4, 8 minus 20. Number 5, negative 3 minus negative 9 minus negative 4. So don't forget to comment down below your answer. Happy learning! Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. Maraming salamat!